What is going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Hope all you guys are enjoying your day, having a great day. Today I had a day off, so I went ahead and washed the car. Thought I'd give you guys a little walk around of that and tell you guys what I'm gonna be doing today. So during my wash, it did get really deep in the wheels. Got the whole wheel on the inside as well. Got the calipers nice and clean. As you can see, these extra wide tires do not let the car stay clean for long, so you know it kind of does suck, but at the same time I don't really mind. White is kind of a hard color to keep clean, I guess. I did get this license plate. I don't know if you guys have seen that at all. Other than that, I honestly have no idea what color exactly this is, but they're shining in the sun. Carbon fiber looking great. We'll walk around. So on today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to properly take this emblem or badge off without really messing up your paint. A lot of people take that off, put SS or custom badges or the 1LE badge. Me personally, not a fan of putting on extra badges, so I will be debadging that. And instead of like the 1LE there, I mean, I got 1LE on my calipers, got it on the back caliper as well. And the whole purpose of the back license plate was to signify that I do have a 1LE. So I will be keeping the SS, but we will be taking off this Camaro badge. And I'll catch you guys in the garage and we'll start the, I guess, debadging process. All right, guys, I have made it back into my garage. Let's get on with this process, and I'll first off show you guys what you guys need, and then I'll show you guys how it's done. All right, so here are all the materials you need for this. I'm gonna use dental floss. I'm gonna see if this will work. If not, I will go out and buy some fishing wire, and then heat gun or a blow dryer, and then some tar remover is what I'm gonna use to get the adhesive off, and just a microfiber towel that I'm gonna apply it to. I do have a new car, so I should not have any like shadow, I guess, or like a tint where this is, so hopefully the whole process goes easy. Let's get into it. All right, so step one is gonna be heating the adhesive. Make sure if you are using a blow dryer that you turn it to the hottest setting and put it on high. Make sure that you don't get it too hot, otherwise that's not good for the paint. But let's get started. All right, let's see if we can do this. Also, another thing I wanted to add is make sure that you guys don't just directly put the heat on in one spot. Make sure you kind of, I guess, wiggle it around and just not direct, if that makes sense. It's working. Probably should have got a bigger piece, to be honest. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a bigger piece. But as you guys can see, just like that. Probably gonna have to heat it a couple times and just keep working at it. Yeah, I think the easiest way is just gonna be soaking the microfiber towel and using the tar remover. Nothing to it, just fold your microfiber towel into a little square like this, and then kind of just get a big blob, I guess. Kind of like to let it do its thing. Try not to like force it off. Hopefully this works.
I feel like it's not gonna work. See if heating it up helps.
It's really hot. Maybe some Guggen would have been good. But you gotta make do what you have. Alright, so I think that is going to be the best way, just heating it up and getting as much as I can.
Finally.
Try to get all the little chunks that I can off.
And let's try this one more time. Alright, there's that. Give it a little wipe down. We'll go get a clean towel real quick, and you get some detail spray and clean that off. So I guess one additional thing you're going to need is going to be detail spray. I like using R&D products. Spray that on my front towel, and just get it all clean.
And there you guys have it. It's like it was never there. Let me get some better lighting on that so you guys can see. There's really no shadow or anything showing where it was. Time for the other side. All right, guys, let's get this side done. There we go, just like that. This one is done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, how it turned out. What are your guys' opinions? Should I have kept it or should I have removed it like I did? Let me know what you guys think my next mod or next video should be. I did come up on 5,000 miles, so I'll probably be doing a little review, what I think about the car, what I like, what I dislike, but honestly, I do not know. But I will catch you guys in the next video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Please share the video. You know, just trying to get monetized and grow as a page and as a family. Thank you guys for watching. Can't wait to catch you guys next time.